Hi friends, welcome to day 48 of 100 Days of Pockets. In collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis, I have created a pocket from a rolled book page. This is a super easy and fast pocket, but really fun. You can use book pages with just words or ones with an image like I did here. You could also use a dictionary page, a map, pretty much anything, but this, I have to say, it was really fun. I enjoyed it. It was quick and easy. So be sure actually to check out Cindy A. Lewis channel, but also check out my description box because in it is the link to her Ko-Fi shop, and that is where you're going to find a downloadable, printable instruction booklet of how to create all of these pockets. Today you'll need a book page, glue or tape, ink, and some flat embellishments. The first thing we're going to do is roll the book page lengthwise into a loose shape and glue the end to hold it. Alright, so I'm going to make it pretty loose because I definitely still want it to be big enough to be a pocket. And then we're supposed to glue the end, so it makes more sense to me to go ahead and put a strip of glue right here. Now I'm going to roll it. Whoops. Now I'm going to roll it. I'm trying again. Now we're going to flatten the roll, and I'm going to flatten it here, but then when we flip it over, this seam will be on the back, okay? I am going to use this 4x6. Is this 4x6 or 5x6? Let me see, just so I'm telling you guys the right thing. Oh, this is 4.5 by 6.5. Okay, so I'm going to use this as a backing sheet as opposed to a journal page. And now we're going to take our tube. Here's the seam. We're taking our tube and we're going to glue it down onto the backing sheet, or you could glue yours down to a journal page. I have this really fun tag that I just created with this awesome image. This came out of a book, actually, an art book. And so we're going to pop that in the pocket. The pocket has an image of a bed. The little kid got folded under, so we can't see that there was a kid there. But this is sort of a dream-like thing, don't you think? So that's why I chose that for this pocket. Later on, when this goes into a journal, I will probably add something here, whether it be a kid or an adult or something. I know that it looks plain, but until this goes into a journal, I'm not going to do anything else to it. But you sure could to yours. Well, there you have it, my friends, a rolled book page pocket. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.